Thank you.
Give me. English ma? Hindi ma? English. Okay. See, in a given place, billions of energies are traveling in this place. And all those energies always travel in its separate frequency. Although they are traveling here together, they don't appearing to be touching each other because it has its own frequency. It has its own frequency. And they always travel in a deflected mode. And they continue to travel in a deflected mode till such time it finds a matching frequency. So the moment it finds a matching frequency, it is attracted towards it or it remains in a deflected mode. Now, in this bottles, I have taken this saliva sample of one gentleman. Now let us see what happens. Okay? It will always look at him. Wherever I go, it will go back to him only. Can you please move? Can you run on this side, please? Can you run on this side? Run, man. Run. Thoda thoda.
So you can see fast.
Can you just run away, thoda? So, whatever samples are fed, up to 200 meter radius, this man will be detectable. I could have placed sample of narcotics also. We would have found narcotics in 200 meter radius. If we would have placed RDX, we would have found bomb in 200 meter radius. I find plain water, underground water, by placing a simple water sample, and I can detect water, underground reservoir, at what depth you will get water and where you will get water. Right now we have searched more than 2,000 bores. More than 2,000 bores. If you look at him only. Achha. Now it will look at him only because it is his sample. Suppose if I want to look at him, what will happen? No, it will not. It will look at him only because it is his sample, right? One more thing will happen. Come, please stand here. The moment I am forcibly wanting to go out of him, and when I am at him from at 90 degree, this will open at 180 degree. That means it is going to tell me that I am losing the subject on this line. When I move forward, it shows me the place. Yeah? Similarly, when you have a geopathic sensors placed here, when you walk on any land, it will show you if there are any geopathic places, it will go 180 degree. So we know these zones. Suppose if I have to find water, when I walk on a land with a water sample, the moment I miss the water body, it will go 180 degree. So I know I am missing the water line on this land. Yeah? Because it is his sample, it is looking at him. Now let us see, you keep the samples with you. I am going to place some other samples. And check. So whatever is there is not in him. Yeah? Right? Please go out. I am going to check everybody now.
Okay. So when you take the auric field of a human body, you have to make sure that you have all the equipments ready, including the person who should be ready and who must not eat at least 2 hours prior to the auric reading is taken. And when we take the reading, we take the reading through this instrument. This is the aura reading camera. This is the aura processor we have. And whenever aura reading is taken, it is always taken with all these equipments, and we take the reading of all the 7 chakras. When the aura reading is taken, you know the kind of quality of all the chakras around the human body. You also know all the 12 principal meridians. We can even detect cancers at least 5 years before it can go into the physical body. And we can know all kinds of problems which are going to go into the physical body at least up to 5 years before it goes into the physical body, including things like heart attack. All those things can be foretold and foreseen in the auric field of a human being. That's the beauty of the auric field. Now watch, I am going to take the auric photography of this gentleman. On this instrument, here I am seated, and I am now seeing his crown chakra and going to click him. This is it. I have taken the first snap. Now I am going down near his heart. I am taking one more snap. This is how you can take everything and it can be processed in this processor and the auric field will come up, right? Once I take the photograph in this, it can be processed in the processor, then the auric field will come up, and by looking at the auric field we can know about several things including heart attacks, cancers, etc., which is going to go into his physical body well before it goes into the physical body, 5 years before at least, and all the chakras can be seen.